Hi, my name is Kate Im, and I am from the Department of Art and Design. I started teaching at CW since 2022, and when I first started here, I was thinking, let me look at the curriculum and let's see what's missing here. I wanted to bring digital fabrication class for my students. Maybe it will be a good opportunity for my student, and any CW student can take this class and enjoy their digital processes. I found out about this multimodal education center. I got the tour very first week of my starting point. That's how I started thinking about, okay, student project, I can come up with something, and then this opportunity helped me to build my curriculum even better. I wanted students to think about their project, and because it's new to them, I didn't want to scare them. So 3D scanning is first part of their project, and then after that they can manipulate any form because I wanted them to think something critically in that process. We are using free software called Blender, so student can copy and paste or change the vertices and then faces. So this digital fabrication process is new. So I thought this using new non-traditional method is interesting. But at the same time, I want them to learn the difference between traditional method and digital process. So after they 3D print their objects, you can use wood or plastic or paper mache, metal, any object, it's fine. But then these materials can be used to build home for your 3D printed work. During critique time, my students evaluate and analyze their work. They can talk about reasoning, why they decide to create this way. I want them to think. I don't want them to make some pretty artwork. Instead of that, they can think critically and then see what's the purpose of making that way. If student manipulated some work and altered it some interesting way, then we can ask questions about why. What do you want the viewers to see from this work? They're all excited about this space and then using computer lab and seeing 3D scanner and 3D printing. I encourage them to come out more. And then, outside of class time, you can scan, you can bring your friend. That's the thing I feel like that's really helpful for a CW student. You have access to all these newer technology. I don't want you to neglect this great opportunity to use all these. This becomes everyday life. I know some students already have 3D printer at home, or most of students wants to experience it, but then they don't have that access. Creating art form in digital processes, that's something new, but because it's new, we shouldn't try to avoid using this one because, yes, they will eventually use this in their future.